Welcome to part 2 of Percepta's Microsoft Copilot training series. In this session, we'll explore how to use Copilot in Word and Outlook, two of the most practical places to experience AI assistance day to day. Copilot in Word helps you write, edit, and reformat text instantly. It's like having a built-in writing partner. You can find Copilot in the Home tab or along the right-hand panel. Click the sparkle icon to open the chat box and type a prompt such as, "Draft a project summary for a client." Rewrite this paragraph to sound more professional. Summarize this document in 3 bullet points. Copilot can help you generate first drafts from short prompts or outlines. Adjust tone. For example, make this sound more persuasive, or rewrite in a friendly tone. Summarize long sections into concise highlights. Format and structure documents, including headings, lists, or executive summaries. You can always refine results by saying, "Add more detail," "Shorten this," or "Focus on deadlines." Copilot in Outlook. In Outlook, Copilot is all about communication efficiency. You'll find it in the message ribbon when you're composing or replying to an email. Here's what it can do. Summarize long email threads. Type, "Summarize this conversation," and highlight action items. Draft replies automatically. Write a polite follow-up confirming receipt of the client's message. Adjust tone and style. For example, make this response sound more formal. Summarize your inbox. Copilot can give you an overview of unread messages and priorities. If you receive a long thread with multiple senders, Copilot can pull out who said what decisions were made, and what still needs action, helping you stay on top of communication. Today, we learned how to use Copilot to save time writing and communicating. It can draft, summarize, and reformat information instantly, letting you focus on clarity and strategy instead of wordsmithing. Next session, we'll shift from words to numbers, exploring how Copilot transforms data analysis in Excel